Hello, everybody. This is Trader Joe. This is my first YouTube video. Yay! Um, for any of you who don't know me, I am a 25-year-old Forex trader. In 2018, I turned about a $5,000 account into over 64K in profits. Which I also like to mention that I traded with 1 to 50 leverage only. I see a lot of Forex traders out there who over leverage their trades, and from my personal experience, it doesn't work, and you're gonna lose all your money. I can absolutely guarantee it. And if you trade with more than 1 to 50 leverage, I love to call you out and call you stupid, because you are. Well, yeah, just don't, like I said, don't like over leveraging your trades, but we'll discuss that later. I'm kind of rambling on. Here's my first YouTube video. There's no scripts or anything. I'm just kind of winging it off the top of my head. So, I'm from New Jersey. So yeah, let's go New Jersey. I have my own signal service. It's traderjoe.signalstart.com. And it's not like your regular signal services that are out there that I personally experienced, and none of them, they all suck. I'm not gonna call anybody out, but they're all fake people that just want to take your money, and they don't even make money, and they don't show their results either. They just say, yeah, I'll take some screenshots that are fake and shit. MetaTrader 4. I don't do that. I take pictures of my broker, my FX books, which is verified through my broker, but I'll mostly do it on my broker just to show you that you can't, it's legit. Yeah. So the reason my signal service is different, and let me tell you why. It is fully automated. So what does that mean? That means you link your broker with my broker, and I do all the work, and you do absolutely nothing. That's what that means. So I place a trade at 3 o'clock in the morning. At 3 o'clock during the day, it automatically goes to you. It automatically goes to your broker, and when I close it, it closes it automatically. That's why I absolutely love this website at Signal Start, because other Forex traders out there that were, I guess, telling you like buy this, sell this, they were I was just getting like, emails. I got random ass times, and I'm like, wait, I'm working, I'm busy, I was at school at the time. I'm like, I would miss trades. I'm like, this. And anyway, like when I did look back at it, they were wrong anyway, so whatever. But I'm just saying, like, it's impossible. It's a 24-hour market, Forex. You can't, everybody, and we all don't live in the same time zone. I don't know. I may have people from Europe copying me. I may have people from, friggin' China copying me. I don't know. So it's crazy, but yeah. So I don't send you texts. I don't send you stupid emails. Yeah. So like I said, we're fully linked together. For any of you who don't know MetaTrader 4, it's basically the universal software for Forex brokers around the world. So, if you're a Forex trader, you're like, oh yeah, MetaTrader 4, I know you already know what you're talking about. But for any of you who don't trade Forex, you're probably like wondering what it is. It's just like the universal software to trade, buy and sell Forex. So it doesn't matter what broker you have, as long as you have like a MetaTrader 4 account number, and obviously the password, which is the same, I believe, as if you were to sign up with your broker. That's basically all you need to like link your account up. But I'll have a future video on how to do all that, and I'll go into depth, and I'll have like my computer screen up. And just so, like I said, any non-Forex traders, you're gonna have a hard time. But if you're a Forex trader, to sign up with me, I think you'll get the concept. It's not that difficult. So yeah, what else can I talk about here? My first video. I may have like videos like on my opinion about where the market's maybe going for the week, like market sentiment. I think that would be kind of cool, and maybe like we can interact like any other Forex traders. Like, feel free to comment, call me out. I don't care. I love being wrong and right, and it's great. Because nobody can ever predict the Forex market. Like I said, I'm wrong. You know, I feel like I'm wrong most of the times, but it's all about the risk reward ratio. That's what's important. Don't forget. That's how you make money in the market. Yeah. So, what else here? What can I talk about? So, I think I already said I made like, oh yeah, in 20, I didn't tell you this. So I told you about 2018, how much I made. So already in 2019, in January, I made over $10,000. And in 20, oh, and then in on February, this is the first week of February when I'm posting this video. So I made over, it was like $3,100 I made. So, you know, not bad for the first week. Shit, I'll take it. I'll take $3,100. And it's not with a big account. I'm not trading with like millions of dollars. Just to let you guys know, I'm not a multi-millionaire. So I'm not like putting like $1 million position down and like, yeah, I made all this money. It's like, yeah, because you're a fucking millionaire, you idiot. So yeah, no, I don't. I trade with, I'm in the thousands range, you know. So I do have, you know, but I'm not, you know, my drawdowns are like, I never have margin calls. Just to let you guys know, I don't do that crap. I'm very conservative with my trading. What else can I talk about? So my signal service, let's go a little more in depth with that. So like I said, it was fully automated. You link your MetaTrader 4 account with mine, and everything goes through automatically, so you don't have to worry about it. And you have fully control, just so you know, it's not like I have control of your whole account and you can't like withdraw money out of your broker. No, it doesn't work like that. We're just linked up. I place a trade, it goes right to you. That's it. That's how it works. So don't think like it's like a Ponzi scheme now. I'm like, oh, yeah, give me all your money, and you know, it doesn't work like that. I have no control over your broker account. You're free to withdraw profits at any time, or withdraw more than that. I don't care. So I really, really, really like Signal Start because one of my personal clients that I know, you can basically adjust your risk. So what do I really mean by that? Let's say I tend to trade on the heavier side, like near the end of my margin, let's say. So let's say, all right, let's just say I trade with $1,000 and I'm putting $900 in, which I wouldn't do. I'm just letting you know, and I'm like going full blast, you know, going high drawdowns or whatever, which like I said, I don't do that. I'm good with that. You can adjust your risk. It's the way it on Signal Start says like multiplier. It's basically like 0.1 to 1.0. So basically 0.1 being like barely nothing. Like let's say 0.5, you're trading like half of my risk. So I'm like, whoa, that's cool that you get to just automatically, like if I was like a follower and I was following, you know, my service, I'm like, oh, cool, all right. I'm not like like if I'm like conservative or I don't trust somebody. So it's even good for the follower. Like let's just say you don't trust me, which is fine. I don't trust anybody either. And you're like, let me see how this kid does. I'm gonna lower my multiplier to like 0.5, let's say, or below that, just to see if if he screws up, I'm not gonna get my account's not gonna get wiped out. And I totally would recommend that for any new traders. Yeah, so one of my personal clients, I was setting it up for him, and I was like, whoa, this is, I didn't really, I was like, oh, okay, how everything works. It was kind of really cool. And of course, like I said, when you lower the multiplier, you lower the reward, but you lower the risk. Like I said, start out slow with the multiplier. Don't go full on like 1.0, which is like mirroring me, or above that. I mean, you can, because I don't like blow my account and do like crazy crap. I would definitely start at like moderate risk is like 0.5. So I would start at 0.5. It's fine. And also on Signal Start, I would like to tell you, I think it depends. I believe there's a minimum account balance of $1,000, so you have to start with some money. I know $1,000 is a lot, but I know I mean, I don't think it is. Just let me tell you why. Like, the Super Bowl just passed, and I see people like throwing money out like crazy. Like, yeah, let me put $500 down. They end up losing all. I'm like, you guys are stupid. I'm like, wait, just I don't know. So yeah, I mean, you have to start with like at least 1,000. Of course, more is better. You'll make more. Um, so yeah, that's a little quickie on the signal start. What else can I talk about? I can talk about myself. I'm 25, from New Jersey. Yeah, I know I'm young. I've been trading for. I would say I started. I mean, legally 18. I was starting trading. Like literally when I turned 18, I opened a trading account. Not with Forex though. I actually started out. You're gonna laugh. Well, I started paper trading in like junior year of high school. Like I took economics. I was like a nerd with that, so that's how I got into it. Just like fake trade. Then when I was 18, I opened a broker with Ameritrade. And they're a good broker. Ameritrade's great. I'm not saying anything bad about them. But I started out trading penny stocks. Yeah. That didn't turn out too well. Of course, I was always disciplined on my money. Like, I wasn't putting all my money I had in my bank account into trading. So I always had that disciplined mindset. I just didn't know how to make money in the market. So, yeah. I lost, I know I lost money. And the thing with penny stocks, I mean, I don't want to go on a rant on like why they suck. And I know there's people I'm sure that make money with them, so and you probably can be successful trading penny stocks, but I'm just saying from my personal experience, it's not as easy as you think it is. And the problem with penny stocks is they're not liquid. So what does that mean? Nobody trades them. That's basically what that means. So like, and also penny stock companies are junk. So you basically shouldn't buy them, because if you do buy them, they're gonna end up going to zero anyway. I hate to say it. Of course, and not to zero, but you know what I mean. You're gonna end up losing your investment. Believe me, I've been through it. It sucks. And also too, which I don't like about penny stocks, they're very hard to short. So yeah, so even when you're like, the company's crap and you want to short it, the broker's like, nope, can't do it. Yes, go screw yourself. So I'm like, wait, so how do I, no. So yeah, I was basically like from like 18 to 20 years old doing that junk. But the good part about it was I was learning about the markets, how they move, technical analysis, all that. So it was a learning experience. And then, yeah, this was an interesting age. At 20, I started trading options. Yeah. Options is effing tough. I read books with an S, books, about them, and I still couldn't I made money, but in the end I would end up losing it. I can't stress how tough options is. I'm not going to go explain about it. It's freaking crazy, complex, hard, and it gives me a headache just thinking about it, because there's so much stuff you got to look at. So, alright, yeah, let's just stop talking about options. And I would say when I was like 21, basically, I started trading Forex, and I was like, alright. There wasn't that many. And what the cool part about Forex, what attracted it to me, I was like, there wasn't like a lot to trade. Like stocks, there's like thousands of stocks. Like Forex, it's like, dollar, euro, yen, Canadian dollar, Aussie, New Zealand dollar. I was like, oh. So it was only like a couple. There wasn't like information overload. So maybe that's why I learned it quick, because it wasn't a lot. Yeah. So let me tell you my learning experience over Forex. I was kind of an idiot and traded with a shit ton of leverage. Yeah, I'm gonna say it. 1 to 3,000 leverage. Yeah. Everybody, yeah, hate me. Hate me. Yell at me. Laugh at me. That didn't work out, and I can't stress people that trade with leverage. Like, you're gonna blow your account. You can't, because what happens is with trading, you lose. You go on a losing streak. I lose too. I lose a lot, I feel like, but it's all about that risk reward. And when you have that high leverage, you can't lose more than like once. So it's impossible. You never make your money back. You end up blowing your account. So it's stupid. Then I went to Oleanda, which is United States regulated. It was all low leverage, 1 to 50. I mean, not that that's low leverage, but it's low leverage. and I was like making money. I was like, okay, $100, $200 here and there. Then I just started ramping it up. Okay, I was making money. Then I was starting to lose again. And then all of a sudden, I started to get consistent. Because I was like losing, but I was making it back because of the low leverage, I guess. So I was like, oh, okay, I would go on a streak of losing streaks. I'd be like, ah, crap. And I wouldn't really blow my account. And then all of a sudden, I just started building, ramping it up, compounding, compounding, compounding. And the next thing you know, I was like, oh my God, it's, 2018. I was like, I made like 60 G's. I didn't even have that much money in there. Like, realistically, I started with like $500. But I did like compound it and I threw more money in. That's why I say I turned 5K about to like 64. But realistically, I started with $500. So yeah. But when you trade with that little money, it takes a while to, it's to make money with that leverage. So to me, in investing overall, I like to think like Warren Buffett, slow and steady wins the race. It really does. And I feel like I'm not slow and steady. I'm still, on the aggressive side, I feel like, but I'm not like going crazy high leverage and throwing it all in one trade. Like, let's do this. When I place a trade, I think about how much can I afford to lose and where am I getting out? Like, immediately. So I'm all ready to rock. I don't just place a trade. I'm like, all right, if it goes up, goes down, I don't care. It's my real money. I'm very crazy about it. So, and also, yeah, like I said, with my single service, with the broker you're connected with, that's my actual broker. That's my real money. So I'm not making money off of you guys. Believe me. If I don't make money, I'm mad, and also, you guys won't make money either. So I'm very serious. I'm not just doing it like it's not like some demo account that I'm just trying to get people. That's bullshit. I don't do that. This is my real account, my real money. I take it seriously. I don't want to tell you that I'm a very serious person, and I don't fuck around. I don't do that stuff. I do want to mention though, with trading, of course, there's risks. It's not. Like I said, in the end, I am consistent. I think I'm pretty good. I'm okay. How's that? I made money in the markets. And I tend to be consistent, but I can't stress, like, don't like throw your life savings in that. Okay, I'm gonna bet it all on this guy. He looks like he knows what he's doing, and you like freaking lose your house or something, or lose, or you can't pay your bills. Don't do that. Put money in you're willing to lose. Don't be stupid. You know what I mean? Like with me, even when I was young, I was like, let me put money that I can afford to lose, and that's what you should do. And I know you're like not thinking like that. You're just like, oh, put money in, I'm gonna be a millionaire. It doesn't work like that. It takes time. There's risks, and I go on. I forgot. I like in September 2018. I did so bad. I like lost so bad, and like if you were to join like in August or something, you'd been like, this guy sucks. I lost all my money. But if you ended up holding from August like all the way to now, you'd be way up. It happens. You go on a losing streak. Don't panic if I lose a month or two. It's going to happen. It's all about the end. Like, I mean, to me, I try to like, I look at the end of the month and I try to like, okay, that's my goal in my head. Be up for the month. That's it. I don't care if it's 1% or 100%. Not that I'm gonna get 100% gain, but or like 50%. Like that's my goal. Like just be up for the month. And I think that's why I'm like consistent, because I'm not like greedy. I'm not too greedy and not too crazy. But yeah. What was it, 19 minutes? Oh shit. It's a long video, but this is my first YouTube video. I just want to ramble on. So I talked about myself, my single service. What else can I talk about? Yeah. And like I said, maybe I'll make videos on like how to maybe like the market sentiment for the week, my opinion. Of course, I won't tell you my trades because that wouldn't be fair to people that are paying me per week. But I'll like give you maybe my opinion, like, oh, I think this may go up, or I may think this may go down. I may, do that just to like have a little Q&A with people. I love to, comment below. I don't care. And like follow my Instagram, comment with me, DM me. I don't care. Talk to me. I'd love to have a conversation. And like last thing is I would like to just talk about the Forex industry a little bit and people out there that I personally, not that I got scammed, but that are made me angry. So there's a lot of people out there that I see on Instagram too, I'm not stupid, that are selling courses on how to make money, like how to trade the Forex market. So yeah, I can't, for any of you who are new to Forex trading or just starting out or have no clue, to become a profitable trader takes years. And I know you probably don't want to hear that. It takes years. Okay? I started when I was 18. I'm 25 now. And I was trading heavy. I was trading, I've placed over thousands of trades probably already since I was 18. It's hard. I can't, and it's fucking stressful at times. But I ended up getting over it. Probably like when I was in my 20s, I was like, oh fuck, I lost, or shit, you just get immune to it after a while, like losing. It's not like, but like if you're new and you lose money and shit, you're gonna like probably fucking lose your mind. I'm not saying you're gonna kill yourself, but you're gonna be like fucking pissed and like, what the fuck. Yeah, it's not. It's I can't I read a lot too. One of the books I read, I think it was like by Warren Buffett. I think it said like on average it takes like 5 years to become a profitable trader. I was like, oh, okay, and that was me. I was about like 5 years, and yeah, it even could take longer. It's just, I don't know how to describe it. It's tough, and like I said, you got to read a lot. And yeah, I want to get back to like the people selling these, and like I said, it's okay that it's just I don't like that they're profiting off of things that are already out there. Like, here, buy my course for $5,000. I'm not going to call anybody out, or $1,000, and I'll teach you how to trade the Forex market. I'm like, it's not that like you watching some videos of him drawing some patterns and shit, and like, okay, I'm going to be a multimillionaire Forex trader now. That is the least of it. It is, it's such bull crap, and not that they're ripping people off, but they don't even show the results. They're like, here, buy my course I made up, and it's just a bunch of video bullshit of them drawing lines, and I believe in technical analysis. I'm just saying though, I'm like, okay. I was like, I can buy a book at Barnes and Nobles about trading, Forex trading, for like $10, like for all the videos it's so, what I mean? It's so bullshit. Like, but I'd recommend though, teach yourself. Great. I don't care. That'd be fantastic. I'm just saying it takes time. It sucks. I've been there. I have the wounds. I have the scars from it. Yeah. And like I said, it's good to teach yourself, and I recommend it. But I feel like people are like lazy now. Like they just want to watch videos and shit. They don't want to read. But actually reading is probably the best way to teach yourself. Like I said, there's a lot of books out there. And I'll be actually, maybe in like one of my next videos, I'll actually put a link to one of my favorite books, or book, that I read, like how to trade Forex. I'll be like, all right, here, read this if you're really serious and you want to go on your own or whatever, and teach yourself, be a profitable trader. But yeah, it's tough. It's like, and I'm sure for any traders are out there, 90% of traders are unsuccessful. Fact. That is, I didn't make that up. That is a fact. 90% of like new traders or traders fail. It's only that top 10% that are consistent and that can make money. I'm not trying to like seem like I'm like some genius trader. I know it took me time, I'm not a genius. I screw up all the time. I just, I try to make some money in the market, man. But yeah, I can't stress and it's stressful too. And I get stressed out sometimes, but it's not. I'm so used to it. Like if I lose money, I'm like, ah, damn it. You know. But if you're like a new trader, you're like, you really are gonna get. Whoa, you'll know. I don't have to explain it. But yeah, like I said, people selling you courses on how to trade forex. I mean, don't spend the money, please. You know, please just read, buy books that are $10. You know, there's a lot of you'll learn so much. You don't have to buy these courses. It's such junk. I'm sorry. So yeah. Um, I also have my own Instagram. It's Trader Joe 922. Um, I post, like I say, post everything there. Just to show you that I'm real. I'm not bullshitting. Um, and if you still don't believe me after all my posts, DM me. I'll drive. Like if you're from New Jersey or something, that I can go like drive to your house, be like, here's my bank account, or here's my phone. Here, I'll show you. Like here, I'm real. I'm not fucking bullshitting. I will. But yeah, like I said, I'm not fake. I'll post like my FX book. I don't know if anybody know about it. It's just like It's like a Facebook for forex traders, just to show you that you can't fake it. Basically, it's all fully verified. Just show you that I make money. But I've been just taking screenshots of my broker because you can see my username. Just so you know, show you I'm not fake. So yeah, that's really. I guess that's a good overview. I did 26 minutes. Oh my god, it's a long while. But hey, yeah, what we did. I talked about. Trying to think what else I can talk about. I think we're a pretty good overview video. And instead of just having a video of me, I'll have like the video of my, like my computer screen. I'll do, like on how to, like I'll have everything how to set up and stuff. Just so I don't want to just, you may get confused if I just talk like this. So I'll have like my computer screen maybe up. I'll do that. That'd be good. Comment below. Ask me questions. Give me suggestions. Don't say shorter video. I talk a lot. Like I said, maybe I'll have a shorter video. It's an overview video, so I just want to really get myself out there, tell you who I am. So yeah, I have an Instagram. You can follow. What did I say? My how much money I made. My experience, kind of with trading. Signal Start website. Yeah, that's really it. And like I said, I'll post more videos. But the most important video that I want to post, because Instagram is like, it's stupid. They only can put so much time on before they just boot you off. So yeah, I'm gonna have the video, like I said, how to sign up. It's if you're not a forex trader, I get it. It's a little confusing, but it's not that bad once I show you. I guess oh yeah, let me talk about brokers maybe real quick. Like my broker I recommend that I use personally, is Oyanda, OANDA. They're regulated throughout the world. They're like one of the biggest forex brokers in the world. So it's I trust them. I'm just saying if you don't have to sign up for Oyanda. I'm gonna do the sign up thing through Oyanda. So I would so you probably get it better if you just sign up for Oyanda. Yeah, they're like one of the biggest in the world. They have all these amazing analysts that I personally